Let's start. Today we will see how to create a horizontal navigation bar using CSS. In the body tag, we have created an unordered list. Each list item is an anchor tag. The first item of the horizontal navigation bar needs to be already active, that is why we have set a class name for it, active. In the style tag, we have written the CSS. Here we have written the styles for the entire list. By default, the unordered list has a black circular dot marker in front of each list item. To remove that marker, we have set the list style type to none. Here, all the list elements are kept to the left side. Here we have written the styles for the hyperlink tag. A hyperlink tag, by default, has an underline. To remove that underline, we have set the text decoration to none. When the list items are hovered over by the mouse, we change their background color like this. The first item of the list, with the active class name, is excluded from this with a not keyword. Here we style the first list item with the active class name. Let's run this code in a browser. So that's it. That's how you can create a horizontal navigation bar in CSS. Thank you.